Fake Android phones are becoming more popular, but they're also getting better. It's important to know whether your new cheap Android phone is fake or not before you start using it. So today we will show you how to check if your phone is original or fake. We'll provide step-by-step guides for both Android and iPhone, showing exactly how you can do it. Let's begin. For Android phones, there are several different methods to use to determine if your phone is fake or not. But before we get into that, please consider subscribing because it helps us grow and reach more people. Alright, let's continue. The first method involves checking your phone's IMEI. The IMEI is like a fingerprint of your phone. Each device has its unique number, so you can find out if your Android phone is fake by checking its IMEI. Here's how you can do it. Step 1. Check IMEI. Open the Dialer phone app and type this code. *#06#, then press call and the device IMEI number will appear on the screen. Step 2. Go to IMEI Checker. Next, copy the number and paste it into the search box of an IMEI checker website such as IMEI. Info. You can choose any site you want, but we recommend sticking with IMEI. Info. After pasting the IMEI, click on Check. Now if the IMEI is valid, the site will show you which brand and model it belongs to. If the IMEI is invalid or does not match your phone's brand and model, then unfortunately, your phone is fake. Now let's talk about another very effective way to check if your Android phone is fake. Secret test codes. Almost all original Android phones have hidden test codes that allow users to check the device's hardware and software. However, the fake ones don't have these test codes. So if your Android phone doesn't have these test codes, chances are it's a fake. Here are some of the most common test codes for popular brands. For Samsung phones, dial *#0*#. This will open up a hardware test menu where you can check the phone's screen, sensors, vibration motors, front and back camera, LED light, loudspeakers, mic, and other components. If this menu doesn't open up, it means your phone is likely a fake. Also for Samsung devices, you can dial *1230 for hash. This will show you the installed firmware version. Make sure that it's an official version, otherwise your Samsung phone might be fake. For Huawei phones, you can dial *## to 8 for 6579 ###. This will open up the project menu where you can access the hardware and software test. For Xiaomi, Redmi, and Poco phones, you can dial *#* number 64663 ###. This will open up a hardware test menu. If none of these test menus open up, your phone is most probably a fake. If you still aren't sure whether your phone is original or not, we have more ways you can try. In the next step, we will ask you to check your phone's settings. In general, the settings of real phones will be quite close to the original ones, while fake phones may have some minor differences. So here's what you need to do. Go to Settings and then scroll down until you find About Phone. Tap on it. Now check the model number, RAM, storage, and Android version. Take note of these specs. Next, go to the manufacturer's official website and find the page with detailed specs of your device. Compare the specs that you found in settings with the ones on the official website. If they don't match, your phone could be fake or at least not original. Also, while doing this, pay attention to the build quality, icons, fonts, and other elements of the interface. Do they look like the ones on the official website? If everything looks fine but the specs don't match, there's a possibility that the phone is a replica with custom software. Finally, you can also check the updates. Go to Settings, select Software Update, tap on it, and check for updates. If your phone is original, it should automatically download the latest update and install it. If nothing happens, the phone might be fake. Of course, it's possible that some fake phones can pass all of these checks. However, the chance is very small. If your phone passes all the previous checks, it's highly likely that it's an original. Now let's move on to iPhones. There are 3 main methods to check if your iPhone is original or fake. Let's take a look at them. The first method is checking your iPhone's IMEI or serial number. All iPhones have unique identification numbers that begin with the letter A. If your iPhone's serial number doesn't start with a, it's most probably fake. To find the number, open the dialer and enter this code *#06#, then press call. The IMEI or serial number will appear on your screen. Once you have it, go to Check Coverage, Apple.com, type the number in the box provided, and click the Check Coverage button. Now, if Apple recognizes the number, it will show you some info about the device, including the model name and the country it was originally sold to. If Apple does not recognize the number, your iPhone is fake. Another reliable method to check if your iPhone is original or not is to check the settings. First, make sure that your iPhone is running iOS. You can do that by going to Settings greater than General greater than About, and then checking the device's model number. If you see iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, then your iPhone is fake. And if it says Mac OS, your device is definitely fake. If your iPhone runs iOS, you can be sure that it's original. Next, in Settings, check the following things. Go to Settings greater than General greater than About. Here you will find the model number, iOS version, and the IMEI or serial number. Make sure that the IMEI matches the one that you got from the first step. If everything matches, it's a good sign. Then go to Settings greater than General greater than Language and Region and check the region. If you live in the US, the iPhone's region should also be the US. If it's something else, your iPhone might be imported or fake. Finally, check the model number. If you bought a new iPhone 13, it must say iPhone 13, not iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 12s, or something like that. The same goes for older models. The device must say iPhone 12, 11, 10, etc., and not some other random stuff. If you see something weird instead of the model number, the iPhone is fake. There's also a physical way to tell if your iPhone is original or not. This method is more suitable for iPhones that were released recently. Real iPhones do not support external SD cards or multiple SIM card slots. Only the latest official dual SIM iPhone models have a feature to insert to nano SIM cards. Any other dual SIM iPhone is fake. Another thing you can check is the App Store. Real iPhones only have one App Store, whereas fake ones sometimes have two. If you see two App Stores on your iPhone, one called App Store and the other called Google Play Store, your iPhone is definitely fake since it's running Android. So that's it. Now you know how to check if your phone is original or fake. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps us grow and reach more people. Thanks for watching and see you next time.